Assalamu alaikum. Hi everyone. We've got a question here and it has been requested to be solved, so we'll give it a go. A company is in financial trouble. The workers are asked to take a 10% pay cut for each of the next 2 years. So they're taking a 10% pay cut. So for that to happen, you have your original percentage as 100%, and because it's a pay cut, it's going down by 10%. So I'm trying to find what's remaining. That's 90%. Now 90% as a fraction is 90 over 100. That basically, that fraction line over there is the same as division, right? So 90 divided by 100, 90 divided by 100 is 0.9. So 90% as a decimal is 0.9. Now this 0.9 has a special name. It's called a multiplier. So when you change a percentage to a decimal, we can use that as a multiplier. And what does a multiplier do? So if I want to find 90% of something, I just multiply it by 0.9 and I get the answer for 90% of that thing. Also, if I want to find a 10% reduction in any sort of quantity, I multiply by 0.9 and I'll get a 10% reduction in that quantity. So let's go to part A. Rob works out that his pay in 2 years' time, so there's two reductions of 10%. His pay will be £1,296 per month. How much is his pay now? I'm assuming that's per month. So we'll start off. We don't know Rob's pay at the moment, so I'm gonna put a question mark to represent Rob's pay, and then at the end of the first year, to work out his pay and reduce it by 10%, I'm gonna multiply it by 0.9, and I'm gonna get a number. I don't know what that number is. And again, for the second year, again I'm going to multiply by 0.9, and then you're going to get 1296 per month. So in order to work out the original pay, I'm going to start from my pay per month and go backwards in time. So if I wanted to find the pay in the second year per month, I have to divide this by 0.9. So I'm doing the opposite, the inverse. So 1296 divided by 0.9 gives me 1440. So now I'm going to take that 1440 and I'm going to go back another year and divide it by 0.9 again. And that gives me 1600. So Rob was getting paid £1,600 per month. Which would make his annual salary initially 1,600 times 12, which is £19,200 a year. Okay, I've done part A in yellow, should have labeled it. Do part B in green if I can fit it in this page. Can I fit it on this page? I'm gonna split it up. Let's try. I'm gonna try fit this in on the same page. So I've got the question there as well. Instead, Rob offers to take an immediate pay cut of 14%. So we'll stop over there. Right, immediate pay cut of 14%. So we have 100%, and we take away 14%. so we're reducing it by 14%, which gives us 86%, and we're going to find out the multiplier for 86% is 86 divided by 100. Same as before, it's 86 over 100, which is the same as 86 divided by 100, which is 0.86. Okay, so that's the multiplier. So we know that his original salary is 1,600 per month, or 19,200 a year. Okay, and he's gonna have his pay frozen at that level for 2 years. Okay, let's see what, and we have to see if he's made the right decision. So we're gonna take his annual salary, which is 19,200, and reduce it by 14%. So we multiply it by 0.86, and that would give you 16,512 pounds. Now for 2 years, because it's frozen at that level for 2 years, multiplied by 2, that gives you a total of 33,000 pounds and 33,024 pounds. Okay, so that was with the 14% pay cut. Now without the 14% pay cut, you had 19,200 a year, and then you multiply by 0.9. So this is with the 10% cut at the end of the first year. 19,200 times 0.9, he gets 17,000 pounds, 17,280 pounds. And then the second year he would have to take a 10% pay cut from 17,280, which gives us 15,552. Now we add these two, okay, and let's see what we get. We get 32,000 pounds, 32,832 pounds. Now this total is less than the this total with the two 10% pay cuts of 32,832 is less than the total of 33,024. So yes, Rob has made the correct decision by freezing his pay after 14% pay cut. And that's it for this video. Hopefully this helps with the problem. Thank you for watching.